Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the alternator in a Mini Cooper S. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, you'll need to gain clear access to the alternator, which might involve removing some engine bay components. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Locate the serpentine belt tensioner and use your specialized tool to release the tension, allowing you to slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Once the belt is free, disconnect any electrical wiring attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting points, ensuring you keep track of all hardware. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully place the new alternator into its designated mounting bracket. Reinstall all the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications using your torque wrench. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring, ensuring each connection is secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto the pulleys and release the tensioner. You're almost done. Reinstall any components you removed earlier to access the alternator, making sure everything is properly secured. Now, reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Start your Mini Cooper S and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm the new alternator is charging the battery correctly, typically around 13.5 to 14.5 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.